Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today I'm preparing peas and grits. Let's do it. I just want to thank each and every one of you for showing support to my channel by joining my membership, subscribing, liking, commenting, and just watching my videos. Please know that it means the world to me, and that the purpose for each recipe is to make a difference in your life as well as your kitchen. Remember now, my recipes are not gospel. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. God bless you and continue watching. I don't know about you, but I love to rinse my grits. Just rinse them in some clear water, especially if they were repackaged. God bless you and continue watching. If you're still here, that means that you are enjoying this. Please give it a thumbs up. God bless you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? And also, don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified of every video I upload. And if you've just subscribed, welcome to our family. My name is Melda. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the love and support. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.